Purchase order. Once a purchase requisition (PR) is approved, a purchase order (PO) is generated to formally request the supplier to proceed with the purchase. Step 1. Create a new purchase order. Click Add New to start a new PO. Select the supplier from the available list. The system redirects to the purchase order Add page. Step 2. Auto-fetch details. Once a supplier is selected, the system automatically fills in supplier code and name, PO number, system-generated unique purchase order number. Supplier address includes address line 1 and line 2. Item code, the system fetches items associated with the supplier. Item description, a brief description of the item. Unit of measurement, UOM, measurement unit, e.g., kg, PCS. Stock quantity displays the current available stock. Price, price per unit. GST percent, applicable goods and services, tax percentage. Packing and forwarding, PNF, percent, packing and forwarding charges. Discount percent, any applicable discounts. Step 3. Manually enter additional details. Transport. Enter transport details for the order. Price basis. Specify whether pricing is per unit, batch, etc. Your ref no. Enter your reference number if applicable. Our ref no. Internal reference number for tracking. Your ref date. Our ref date. Enter the reference date. Click Update after entering all necessary information, and then click Checkout to finalize. Step 4. Review, Save, and View page. The total value is automatically calculated based on the entered quantities, prices, taxes, and other charges. After saving, the purchase order details will be displayed on the main page. Step 5. View purchase order details. Click on a purchase order number from the main page to view full details. The View page will display PO number, supplier code and name, supplier address, item details, item code, description, UOM, price, GST, etc., transport and reference details, total value calculation, print option feature. Click the print button to generate a hard copy. Real-time example. XYZ Private Ltd. raises a purchase requisition for 10 HP LaserJet printers from global mega suppliers at 15,000 Indian rupees per unit. After approval, the purchasing team generates PO 123456, selects the supplier, and the system autofills item details. The manager reviews, updates, and saves the PO, then prints it for supplier confirmation. The supplier receives the PO, ships the printers, and the system marks the order as complete. Goods receipt note, GRN, and inspection process. This is an important step in verifying received goods against purchase orders and ensuring quality control. When a company places an order with a supplier, a purchase order, PO, is generated. Once the supplier delivers the goods, a goods receipt note, GRN, is created to record the receipt of items. The GRN helps track deliveries, verify quantities, and maintain inventory accuracy. 2. Steps to create a GRN. Let's go through the process of creating a GRN step by step. Select the purchase order. Open the GRN module in the system. Click on Add New and select the PO number corresponding to the received goods. Enter additional details. Enter delivery challan DC number, DC date, invoice number, and invoice date provided by the supplier. Verify supplier details, code, name, and address that are autofilled. View and add pending items. Click on View Pending to see the items yet to be received. Select the items received and click Update to include them in the GRN. Save and update. After entering the details, click the red color Add button to save the GRN. After clicking the red color button, the details will be displayed in a table with a green color background. After reviewing the details, click Update to save and then Check Out to finalize the process. The GRN is now recorded in the system and the inventory is updated. After saving, the details are displayed on the main page. Click on the GRN number to view details such as item code, PO number, date, pending quantity, received quantity, GRN number, supplier code, address, and date. There is a green link available to go to GRN Inspection, or you can use the main menu to navigate to the Inspection module. 3. GRN Inspection Process. Now, let's discuss the inspection process, where we verify the quality and quantity of received items. Select the GRN. Go to GRN Inspection module and select the GRN number from the list. Verify the items. Cross-check the received items with the purchase order and delivery challenge. Inspect the items for damages, defects, or discrepancies. Accept or reject items. If the item meets the required standards, enter the accepted quantity. If an item is defective, edit the accepted quantity. Enter the rejected quantity and provide a rejection reason that, for example, damage or incorrect. Update and check out. Click Update to save the inspection results. Click Check Out to finalize the inspection and move the accepted items to inventory. 4. Finalizing the GRN. Once the inspection is completed, the final step is GRN confirmation. Approved items are confirmed, and rejected items are flagged for return or replacement. GRN confirmation. The GRN confirmation facility is the final step in the goods receipt process. It confirms that the items received are in order and serves as a transition point before moving to the bill passing stage. Confirming the GRN. After verifying that the GRN inspection has been completed and all accepted and rejected quantities are updated, click the Confirm button. This will redirect to the Update page, where you should check all details and then click Check Out. Once confirmed, the item moves to the bill passing facility, where the GRN details are used to validate the invoice for payment. The GRN number serves as a reference for matching and confirming items during bill passing. Bill passing process. Identify items based on the GRN number used during the GRN inspection and confirmation stages. The GRN details will now serve as the base for the bill passing process, ensuring consistency in tracking received items and invoices. Rejected GRN items. Any rejected items will not be included in the bill passing process, ensuring that only accepted items are paid for. The GRN confirm step ensures that the received goods are officially accepted and processed for payment. GRN rejection process. GRN rejection. The GRN rejection process allows you to manage and update rejected items from a GRN. This step ensures that any rejected items are either returned to stock or sent back to the supplier. Returning rejected items. Rejected items are sent to the supplier using the delivery challenge, marked as returnable or non-returnable. If returnable, when the supplier sends the corrected items and DC returns is processed, the system will automatically update stock levels. Processing GRN rejection. Click Add in the GRN rejection page, which redirects you to the Select GRN number page. Select the GRN number from the list of GRNs where items were rejected. After selection, you are redirected to the GRN rejection Add page, where details like GRN number, date, supplier details, purchase order details are displayed. Enter manually the DC number, DC date, invoice number and invoice date. Reviewing rejected items. The page will display columns such as item, part number, description, unit of measure, UOM, unit price, PO order quantity, GRN accepted quantity, and GRN rejected quantity. Check required rejection details and click Checkout to confirm the rejection. Updating stock. Once the GRN rejection is processed, rejected items will be returned to stock, and the system will update stock levels accordingly. Real-time example for GRN process. A hospital, ABC Healthcare, orders 100 oxygen cylinders from XYZ Medical Supplies. Upon delivery, a GRN-7 is created. During inspection, 10 cylinders are found leaking and marked for rejection. 90 cylinders are accepted and moved to inventory. The finance team confirms GRN and processes the bill for 90 cylinders only. The 10 defective cylinders are returned to the supplier using a return DC. The supplier sends 10 replacement cylinders, and a new GRN is created after inspection. Now, the hospital has 100 good cylinders, and the bill is processed accurately